Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it's already 8:05. I am now going to prepare my breakfast, and it's going to be rice. Oh, it's too hot already. Yeah, I have rice here, and I'm going to make a fried rice. Some seafood. This is why basmati is so good to make a fried rice. It doesn't stick to each other. Yo, it's already 1:35 when I left the house. We are going to work now. This is how it is today, very cloudy and a little windy. I'm not sure if it is going to rain. I hope not. Yeah, okay, we go. And this is how it is at the moment. There are people, they are fishing, they are inside the water, wishing there would be someone's waiting home for me. Looking back as lovers go walking past. Think we're gonna need some time. Baby, all we need is time. You know, today is December 24, and yeah, tonight will be the Christmas. It is now 1:47. I still have time, that's why we come here. You know, today is December 24, and yeah, Christmas tomorrow. Tonight will be the big celebration, and most of the hotel, restaurant are going to be very busy for the celebration of Christmas around the world. So Merry Christmas everyone. I hope you are having a good time. Yeah, enjoy. I know it is difficult times for some, especially I don't know, but we are focusing on the happiness. Yeah, Merry Christmas. Yo, good morning guys. It's already 7:29. Nigo is here. He's preparing the chicken.
Straight from work, so you know.
Today is Christmas Day. We are supposed to have a party in Barry Park with Erickson. Nigo is in uniform. He's wearing his other uniform in his other job.
I'm a janitor.
Janitor, he's working janitor.
Merry Christmas!
and we are here in Pringle Bay, and at the moment there are people here doing some kind of picnic. Yeah, this is the view, and if you notice that there are many people on that. It is possible to cross going to the other island, but at the moment it is high tide, so it's really dangerous, and there is a mist at the moment. Hope it's not going to be a rain. Family, and I am with Wally and Inigo.
Sa lahat ng OFW, yung daylight ko, ako lang naglagay.
We are now home, and yeah, this is the gift that is coming from Wally. It's Issey Miyake perfumes. Yeah, thank you to Wally and family. Yo, we are here now and we are going to work. Already 1:30 when I leave the house. Yeah, I would like again to say thank you to Wally and the family for giving me the gift, for coming here. Wally also has a YouTube channel, and it's called Wally on Lens. You can check his channel. This is how it is here. Many people celebrating the Christmas. Nice. Shopping mall and grocery, they are closed today, Christmas Day. Yeah, that's why most of the people, they are outdoors. They are having a picnic. Like us, we did picnic. Like what we did this morning. All those we eat this morning, it was all prepared by Inigo. Inigo loves to prepare things. Yeah. And me, I'm not really comfortable preparing things for for others, especially if it's not a job. So this is basically my Christmas day. Today is December 25, and that's how it is. I wake up this morning, good, sit on my computer, and then Inigo comes. He prepared the chicken, and then we eat in the park together with Wally. And yeah, we had a picnic in there. I am happy because Wally and Inigo, they had a nice conversation. I mean, they can relate to each other for whatever topic they are discussing. Nice. I was just there listening to them. Original Sampalok Sinigang mix. Oh, looks too nice. Amazing. Sour, amazing. Oh, I have a problem. Yeah, one of my clothes stuck in the washing machine. Yeah, look at this. This goes inside here, inside the... And I can't pull it. I'm worried that if I pull it, it will be broken the washing machine. Yeah, let me check in Google. Yeah, maybe there is a solution to remove that. They actually found one.
At first I couldn't figure out how to do it.
Yeah, similar to that, the same.
And I'll just pops right up. There you go.
Awesome. Actually, all of this was fully inside a while ago. I just pull it and now it's just only small portion. So I will remove it, but that's the problem. There is a screw in there. I don't know how to remove that. I need to find a way. But before fixing that washing machine, I need to put it outside first. So I actually able to take it out. Yeah, I don't need to take off the screw. I just move it. Yeah, I just move it from time to time until it become loose. Nice. And I'm actually going to wash it again. You know this one I'm going to wash it again because I'm not happy with the smell, because this one dries with the during the rainy time and it doesn't smell good. Yeah, it is now 5 minutes to 7 o'clock. The news says not yet finished, but yeah, it's just sports. Also, this is the last ice cream. I am eating it here now because yeah, this is very less now. I usually just scoop some and then I put in the cup, because sometimes Inigo and the other guys, they come here and they also eat ice cream. So